I swear, Craig is a little kid. He had to go get a piece of that ice. I don't know why. Turn it sideways so we can see how thick it is.
Now, this one's only about 4 inches thick. Some of those other ones, I swear, must be 6.
Oh, I don't know why, but here he comes with his... You can take that home with us?
Well, at least I want to go short to Jay.
Now you're going to have to change your muddy shoes.
Our little
Okay.
mascot sitting on some of his native soil.
We
Ice.
had the inflatable canoe. It's in the Jeep. Canoe, paddles, all ready to go. And then what happens? Damn river's completely frozen, but yet not frozen enough to walk across. So, foiled again, eh?
Yeah, foiled again. It's red.
Guess what he's trying to do? He's trying to go out here. See this ice? There's some open water there. There's an island. And across the river, it's open on the other side for a little ways. I don't know if you can see the current right there. While we were standing here waiting for him to bring the boat over, a huge long strip of ice broke off the other side and swung out into the river and turned all the way around and started going downriver and hit the shore over here right there, and then swung around the other way and went way on down there.
Tired? You want me to push it for a while, honey? You're going to be too tired to...
Let Jay do that.
Yeah, if you want.
You need to save your strength, for heaven's
It's
sakes.
done now. But...
Yeah. He's pumping up this little float boat we got. What'd they call this thing? A kayak?
That's good. Yeah.
Portable kayak.
Oh, water will come in. Well, we're ready for lunch.
Yes.
I don't. Do you have the other?
To talk to him with?
And it's the lunch.
The lunch. Hey, you just got free. Now start heading upstream. You're hitting that current, now you're going down. Listen to me, I'm not shutting my mouth.
How you doing, babe?
I guess he slid himself up for us.
You're my man.
Tie that sucker up. Tie it up.
Okay.
Rest for a minute, honey, before you take the hike. What, babe?
There's a wooden cross right here on the side of the road.
Take a picture of it.
You know, a decent walking path, he'll make good time.
Did he get wet at all?
I don't
Did you
think
ask
so.
him?
I'll ask him.
I moved these a little bit.
I had that on pause. Hey, you know what? I had that on pause that whole time. So now I need you to wave again at the camera and say woohoo for Jessica.
Boy, I don't know if I can do another one, but here goes. Woohoo!
It's a raven.
Well, we lucked out. We walked down the river far enough to find some open water, and
Too close.
we were able to cross.
We got a good luck raven talking to us.
Yeah.
And the ice is all stuck in a jam upriver.
Where's the boat crossed?
Blue boat, blue
He'll be
jeep,
coming back too.
blue coat.
He's going to want to get him one of those little inflatable kayaks.
Yeah. Yeah. Be careful right there.
Yeah, that's a little steep spot. And then come straight on down that little corner, that ridge, whatever you want to call it.
And there he is.
And there he is. And the ice is still stable. I'm going to walk down that way.
Okay. To get in, he's untying it.
Got a little fire going here. Tell him that if he goes by Jean, she's got a spot picked out for him. Might be easier for him. And it would make her happy. You have to tell him on the radio. Now you're moving a little bit.
Cool. Pretty. Okay, I got this.
Mission accomplished. Oh my hell. Say that again, dear.
Woohoo! Just my feet. But I'm inside these water sock things, so.
Yeah. Ooh, look how big that thing is.
Man,
Yeah, look how long it is.
that thing is huge. Honey,
We had good timing on that.
man,
Yeah,
you timed that so good.
This is
That would have been a
Max is
showstopper
going
right
through
there.
now.
Ought to have been like those poor penguins
train.
down in Antarctica when that great big chunk of ice came and made them have to walk another couple hundred miles.
Yeah.
I'm glad you had a camera.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say for yourself there?
Woohoo!